Okay, everybody, look. This room was screwed up. I'm not gonna lie. Not even kidding. Now I'm getting this back. We had to tear these walls out twice as there was a water leak somewhere else. He thought it was here. But this area over here, we got it all primed and painted. Look at this. Look at this. Doing little touch-ups here and there. Doing little touch-ups here and there. Here's that door wall with the outside corner. Let me open the door so you can see it. That's regular tape on outside corner with 45 right to the wood. Nice reveal all the way around. 3/4 reveal. But yeah, so I'm in here finishing up. There we go. Had to hit that whole beam all the way across. Needed some work. Couldn't help it. And then we got that almost ready. One more time maybe. Trying to make it like it never happened. Over here we got a couple touch-ups. That was a big area. It's flat now. Let me tell you. And here we go. This is like a 2-bedroom apartment with 1.5 bath. Very, very unique design. Yeah. If you like, keep watching and share as I try to create good content. Good DIY, do-it-yourself home improvement techniques. I'll get this room, once that dries up, that's all 45. I don't use the regular out of the bucket. Good to the last drop. I don't waste none either. Till next time, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks again. The pro you need to know.